of moving in. And we are pretty much set with all of the big things. Got the dining room here. It's the study. So this desk they had custom made in New York, where they're originally from, and everything else in here is from LOP. And that art will go above there, and this video really doesn't even give this piece justice. They still have all of their stuff from storage in their current home to move in here, so we don't have all the accessorizing done, but we've got a pretty good start. This is a custom desk chair. This can be customized in hundreds of fabrics. We still need the grass cloth up in here, but this light turned out really cool. And all of these built-ins are beautiful. Got a lot of custom woodwork in this house. We've got these two enormous sofas. I love these. These are actually indoor-outdoor, so we might use those outdoor too. So we did 2 swivel chairs here so that we could kind of swivel around and look outside if we wanted to, onto this awesome view. So these floors are still getting stained, so we didn't move in any of the outdoor furniture out here. We've got a sitting area going right there with a TV above the outdoor fireplace, and we have an 8-person dining set going here. Really cool teak pieces. So out by the pool, that's getting finished on Monday, I believe. We've got a fire pit going where that basketball is, and seating around there. We've got really cool 3 chair and a half and ottomans going right along the long side of the pool. This family has triplets, so it's fun to have 3 of everything. And under the cabana there's a seating area, another fireplace, grill, some countertop seating. We've got a huge 70-inch round going under the pergola there. And then we're going in here to the breakfast room. That piece we were originally going to go behind the sofa, but we didn't want to lose the detail at the bottom of the sofa, so it actually worked out perfectly there. Still need the pendants above the island, but the chairs are perfect. In here we've got the butler's pantry. And this color matches the island. And the laundry room is right off of here. Got really beautiful natural stone throughout the house. And there are windows just all throughout here so that you could see the beautiful views here. So this has to be one of my favorite features. These floor-to-ceiling cabinets, mudroom. Those fixtures are some of my favorite in the house. We did, I'll have to refresh my memory on the paint colors. And again, all of these cabinets came from New York. I need to refresh my memory and where exactly they came, but I thought this was really unique that there were windows right in the middle of these built-ins. This also goes out back to the front porch. There's the transom up there. So then you can go out to the garage from here and you'll be able to see just a little bit of outdoor furniture that we had delivered yesterday, but they're still working on the pool and there's a lot of dust and construction outside, so we decided to store everything in the garage for now. This is above the garage and they call this the Frog, which is apparently family room above garage. I don't know if it's a southern thing. A fun living space up here. And we're doing a pull-out sofa here so that we are really maximizing guest space. But we've got this nice additional kitchen up here, make a great mother-in-law suite. So this door has a window in it so that you can still see out, and actually you can even see, I can't from this video, but there's the pool out there, the backyard, and then beyond that is water. I love the knobs we ended up doing here. Super cool. And this is the guest room. You did fans to keep the air flowing in most of the bedrooms. Master bedroom. It is just gorgeous. Jen has lamps for those. There's draperies and big chair and a half and dresser. So we've got barn doors to the closets, and Jen and Dan selected all of these floors, all of the tile, and they did a phenomenal job. So here are some more cool details for all of hot tools. We've even got USB and plugs there. This light is just so cool. And the detail and these stairs. It's really neat too. Jen called this a Pinterest win. I mean, these are just really unique. The fabric on these, it's really cool. It's kind of hard to see now that it's getting dark. But this is one of my favorite new outdoor collections. Got these fun little teak tables. So just a fun little seating area. You can see the beautiful views from up here. It's the back of the house. A lot of like marshland around here. So into movie room. The sconces are not in here yet. They're getting finished, so don't have a ton of light in here. But we did, what is this, 8 cushions? So it's an 8-seater. Huge sectional with a big ottoman in the middle here. It's really too big to get all in one view. This is Jake's room. And that wall is just awesome, and it worked really well with the dressers and nightstands that we picked. This little reading chair, dresser, TV will go above there, and lampshades, just waiting on lamps. And then we go into Derek's room. More navy in here. I love this lamp with the little reading chair. But this turned out really cool. The detail on the headboard's kind of getting lost, but really neat rug. Let's see it. There we go. It's like a navy velvet. It's getting darker by the minute. And in Brooke's room here, got her desk. Fun little reading chair for her. And this is just those sconces